friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Bingo wearing sunglasses, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along your own pace. So we're going to get started by splitting our paper in half. We'll start with her nose. We'll start on the top, curving this over and across to the right. We're going to pull this down on a diagonal now. So rounding out the corner, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the center. Stepping across on the right, replicating that, blending that in together in the middle. We're going to add in a small highlights. On the top, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Let's come down for the mouth. So we're going to draw a straight line directly in the center. From the right-hand side, we're going to curve this around, tucking that up, replicating this on the left. Let's draw in a corner bracket here. Now let's come up for the sunglasses. So we're going to start right in the middle with a small arch line. To the right of this, we're going to curve this down, flattening that out, pulling this up on the side. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the left-hand side. Let's start on the inside line again, blending this in. We're going to curve this up and over. Now from here, let's draw in the eyebrows. So we're going to draw in a small curved diagonal line right on the inside, just making sure that line connects. Let's round out Bingo's eyebrow now. So we're going to start on the edge, curving this around, bringing this back in, tucking that through on the side. Let's continue to close off the lens of the sunglasses here now. So we're going to imagine this line comes through underneath the eyebrow, curving this out, pulling this down, flattening that out, joining that together. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle here, we're going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. On the side, we're going to tuck this up, curving this over, doing the same on the left. Now let's move across. On the top, we're going to curve this out, bringing this back down and in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. And then now from that inside edge there, we're just going to bring this back down and through. Now on the edge, we're just going to draw in a small sideways oval. Let's draw in the top of Bingo's head. So we're just going to connect this with a straight line in the center where the eyebrows are. Stepping up, we're just going to curve this line across on both sides underneath the glasses. Let's draw in her ears. So stepping over, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal on both sides, ending that at the same height. We'll round out the top of her ear now, curving this around, back down on the side. Moving in towards the middle, let's replicate that pattern. So we're just going to bring this up, pulling that back down. Now let's frame in Bingo's mouth, continuing this around. So we're going to start on the left-hand side, underneath the glasses, curving this over and in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, blending that in together. Let's draw on the side of the body here. So we're just going to flatten this out, drawing in a straight line. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, and we'll end that as best as we can at the same height. Now let's step in for the arm. We're going to come across slightly, and we're just going to draw a diagonal line coming up from that line to draw in the side of the arm. And then we'll step across, pulling this line straight up towards the top, ending that at the same distance there. Now let's step over. We're just going to curve another line that comes across on both sides. And then in the middle, we're just going to bring this line up, over, pulling that back down slightly on the side. Now let's draw in the hand. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back in. For that first finger, we're going to curve this back down, pulling that up. Again, that step over in the center, curving that through towards the top. And then again, just arching this around, connecting that to our arm on the side. Let's close off the wrist, drawing in a straight line across on both sides. And now we can frame in the bottom of Bingo's body. So we're just going to draw in a slight curved line, still flattening that out on the bottom, just curving it slightly in the middle. And let's draw in her legs. So leaving a gap, we're going to step over, drawing in a straight line on the left and right hand side. For the foot, we're going to curve this around, tucking that back in. And then we're going to flatten that leg out on the side. Now let's come up again, drawing in another straight line. Let's close off Bingo's toes. So we're going to curve 2 lines that come in. And now lastly, we're just going to finish off with the tail. So underneath, we're going to arch this line around, tucking that up. Stepping in slightly, we're going to curve this around, bringing that back in. Stepping down, arching this up, pulling that through on the side. And then again, one more time, just curving this up, down, and in towards the hand. And then we're just going to add in the small detail, curving this down on the edge of the tail. And that is it. That's how you draw Bingo wearing sunglasses. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.